back to the channel. Hi. How's everybody doing? Ooh, this little ring light. Nope. Should we turn it off or should we lower the volume? How do I lower the volume? Girl, what? Let's do some nails, baby, because we haven't done nails in a little minute. I got a new little type of video for you guys today, but I'm actually going to be showing my face throughout the whole video so you guys can see my face, y'all, because my face be spacing. My face be doing the most sometimes when I be doing these nails, and I'm like, you know what? Y'all been requesting it. Y'all want to see my face while I'm doing the nails, but it's so hard to record, and I have finally opened back my camera up because I used to record on my phone. I'm still going to record on my phone up here so you guys can see down, but I opened up my camera again. If y'all don't know, back in the day, I used to use a good camera, and then I was just like not inspired by YouTube. I stopped, and I just started recording on my phone because it was easier. Baby, we getting back into it, okay? And I'm going to start showing my face more because you guys are like, who's behind the camera? Who is? It's me. Let's get into it. Y'all already know we're going to go in with the baking soda. If y'all don't know by now, you already know. Baking soda. Get you some baking soda. Get you some nail glue. And let's do these nails, baby. Okay? Because these nails are not it. Like, they're growing out because your girl's been, okay, she's been on it. But we got to do these nails. Alright, you guys. First things first that you're going to need is some nail glue. Brush on nail glue because that's what we like. And you're going to need some baking soda. Now, like I said, this baking soda, I just get it from the Dollar Tree. You can get it from Walmart, Dollar General, whatever makes your little heart happy. But I got mine from Dollar Tree, I think. Don't quote me. Either way, baking soda is like $1. And then this nail glue isn't my favorite. It has a pink tint. I normally like... Alright, I don't have any. But I normally like the one from the Dollar Tree, which is the Kiss nail glue. This is Kiss. This is Kiss. But it's not the Kiss that I like. I like the other Kiss, which they don't have it. They don't ever have it. So, and especially now that these videos are going viral, they definitely don't have it because it went viral on TikTok. And everybody bought all the nail glue, all the nail tips, and I ain't got nothing. Nothing. Now, you guys have asked if we can do our own nails. And honestly, you could definitely do your natural nails. I am going to see about doing my natural nails today because they're a little bit longer. But we'll see how that works because I don't know if I want to do an overlay or not. But let's open this nail glue because one of the first things that you're going to do is mix this with some nail polish, baby. And I didn't think it was going to work, but it does. And I'm very happy about it because I was a little nervous. So you're going to take your nail glue. You're going to make sure that it is not dried up because, baby, my nail glue be drying up in this room. I don't know what it be having or what it be got going on. Let me get one of these little cups. First things first, let's get in and file our nail. I'm not going to file this side. We're just going to do one hand. I'm just going to go in and file my nails. You can do an overlay, so I'm just going to do a quick little overlay of my natural nails. I wish they were a little bit longer, but my nails don't grow, baby. My nails do not grow.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're finna. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, it's no phone, I'm just sitting. loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in the thing. So fly, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, then can't give me laid, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
Now that the nails are all filed, I'm just going to go in and start prepping my stuff. And I'm going to take my baking soda. Now I am going to take a color. I don't know what color I want to do, so choose with me. Let's see what we have in here. I have a lot more polishes over there. These are regular nail polishes, so these are not gel. I don't know if I want to do like this cute blue color or this mint color. It does work, or like this light pink color. What do you guys think? I don't know. I haven't tried a light color with this hack, so this will be our first time. If it works, it works. If it don't, baby, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I think I want to do one of these 3 colors. The only thing with this hack is that if you are going to do it, make sure it be a glue that you already used and it's already almost gone. This is a new one, but I would do like a glue that's already wasted, or one that you're not really too worried about getting messed up. Or if you like the color, you're always going to use that color, because once you put the nail polish in there, that's it. That's the color that you're always going to get. But I'm going to go in with, I think, this pink. Let's try this cute pink. And we're just going to spill some nail polish in the glue bottle. And we're going to give her a mixeroo. We're going to mix it up. And then we're going to do our nails. So we're just mixing it up. I hope it works. I tried it. It works. And it stays on. But I didn't try another color. Okay. Okay. It's pink. Let's see. Alright, this is the color that we used. Let's get some baking soda. We're going to give that a little mix, so there's no clumps. You want to make sure there's no clumps in your baking soda. If there's clumps, it ain't going to work. Y'all going to be clumpy out here. Now, since I am using just my natural nails and I'm not putting a nail tip on, I'm just going to go in with some alcohol and a cotton round and just wipe off any debris that is on my nails. Now, I would use a lint free, but I don't have lint free, so we're just going to use that and just let them dry. Air dry it, y'all. Right? And we're going to go in with now the nail glue. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to paint the whole nail, y'all. You don't have to just not paint the whole. Ooh, that's glue. It's glue, okay? Paint the whole nail because we're doing an overlay. We're not doing. Alrighty, let's see. It looks pink. It looks pink, y'all.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on before I see you.
Alrighty, you guys, and always remember, dust off your nails, because you do not want to dip your brush again and it be baking soda. Because if you have baking soda on your nails, what's going to happen is that your nail brush is going to harden. It's going to harden. It will not keep working. So you want to make sure you're dusting off. But they are pretty pink. if you can see, because I don't know if you guys can see there. Let's keep moving on. Let's do the next round. Okay, I'm gonna put another layer of nail glue. Now it's really pink. I hope it's coming up on camera. One more little layer. Let's do one layer more.
What I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown.
Hey guys, now we're just gonna go in and we're going to file these nails. You do not have to be careful with them because baby, they're already hard. We don't gotta worry about none of that, okay?
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, slow phone, I'm just sitting. On playing games and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes in the thing. So fire, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, then gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
You guys, I'm just gonna go in with some of the top coat. This is how the nails came out. Truly love them. Like I said, this is just an overlay, so it's your natural nails. Put a nice little top coat, let that dry, And you are good to go. It. Let's let it dry a little bit, and then I will come back and show you guys how they actually look. All right, you guys, now I'm just gonna go in and put some cuticle on. I am not gonna show this part because what's the point? I'm using Dollar Tree cuticle, by the way. But cute, especially for an overlay. Like, where am I going? I normally don't do short nails, but baby, these short nails got me in a chokehold. They are so freaking cute. They are so cute. No, I gotta show you a video. Hold on. I gotta show you the video because it's not doing it justice. Like, these nails are cute. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? I gotta go somewhere with these nails. I gotta go somewhere. Now I gotta do the other hand. Because how? How am I supposed to be one-handed like this? It's cute, y'all. It looks really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely like, subscribe. Come hang out with your girl. We are going to be doing... Hold on, my head just... It's that weave, baby. We are going to be doing different things on this channel. I'm coming back better than ever before. So if you don't know, now you know. Come hang out with your girl. Come be over here with me on this side because you know you want to. Y'all know y'all do. Okay. I love y'all so much, and we'll see you. We'll see you. No, baby, this is my channel. This ain't my husband and my channel. This is my channel. I'll see you in the next couple of videos coming up very soon because your girl's back at it. She's in the game.